Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us. Well, we've got a cold front moving up the South Island and it's heading in towards the North Island, although weakening at the same time. Here's the latest satellite imagery thanks to the Japanese Meteorological Agency, and you can see a couple of types of clouds. You've got this peach-coloured low-level cloud, and then you've got the main front here, which you can see in white as it slowly moves up the South Island. So we saw some frost again over Tuesday morning, mostly around Waikato, as far north as Auckland again, with -2s and 3s recorded in those areas. However, a warmer change with the winds now coming in. So the forecast over the next few days isn't very complicated. This is Wednesday's setup. That is the leftover of that front that we just saw over the South Island. So it brings in a few showers, not much. Most of the North Island is fairly dry. And if you notice, this is all high pressure. So this front really isn't going very far. It's just going to fall apart, but there'll be cloudy areas and obviously the odd shower on Wednesday. On Thursday, not a great deal of change, but the high sort of reorganizes itself into one big center just to the east of Cook Strait, and therefore northerlies are coming back. These are subtropical northerlies as well. So we're watching this area of rain and this low, and we think the two might combine a wee bit as we head in towards the end of the week for Friday. And this is Friday's setup. There's that low, those are the subtropical northerlies coming through, and some maybe isolated heavy downpours. It's a little hard to lock in because it's a very narrow band of rain, and this is not looking too widespread, but it does look like there'll be a subtropical burst of northerly rain on Friday as this weak low comes in and works with that northerly coming out of the subtropics, which is being created by this blocking high to the east. So Friday might be a bit of a wet day, especially in the North Island, but as you head in towards the weekend, there goes the cold front being pushed away by a slightly cooler sou'wester, incoming high, and that high rolls on in for Sunday. There's your Sunday forecast, mostly settled. If we see a southeasterly flow, it'll be very sunny in the North Island, and we're also expecting mostly sunny, dry weather around the South Island. So we've still got a couple more days to go. We'll lock in Friday and the weekend in more detail in our next video out on Wednesday.